Look at the pitch here. I think it's a different picture. We can see the last night match. In the air to maybe qualified it put down as well.
السلام علیکم ناظرین، مظفرآباد ڈیجیٹل کے ساتھ میں ہوں آپ کا میزبان عبدالغفار۔ ہم موجود ہیں ابھی مظفرآباد کے اندر۔ آج ہمارے ساتھ موجود ہیں مظفرآباد کے نواحی گاؤں سراڑ کے ایک ٹیلنٹڈ پرسن جو کہ جن کا نام ہے محمد سجاد صاحب، جو کہ انتہائی بہترین انداز میں ورلڈ کے جتنے کمنٹیٹر ہیں ان کی میمکری کر لیتے ہیں، اور آج ہم ان سے جانیں گے کہ پاکستان اور انڈیا کا میچ ہو رہا ہے، یعنی ٹاس سے لے کر آفٹر رزلٹ تک وہ اپنے اسی انداز میں کمنٹری کریں گے۔ تو آئیے ہم ان سے ان کا انٹرو لیتے ہیں۔ السلام علیکم۔
وعلیکم السلام۔
کیسے ہیں آپ؟
یہ لگا
مجھے یہ بتائیں کہ میمکری آرٹسٹ میں آپ کو ماشاءاللہ بہت ٹیلنٹڈ حاصل ہے، تو فرسٹ آف آل سب سے پہلے آپ نے میمکری کہاں سے شروع کی، اس کا شو کیسے پیدا ہوا؟
دیکھیں، یہ 1992 کی بات ہے، اور اس وقت جو ہے وہ پاکستان نے ورلڈ کپ جیتا
جی
تھا۔
جی ہاں۔
اس وقت سے جو ہے وہ کرکٹ سے مجھے بہت زیادہ لگاؤ اور دلچسپی تھی، اور آج جو کچھ میں نے سیکھا ہے یا جو کچھ میں بولتا ہوں یہ کرکٹ کی وجہ سے۔
کرکٹ کی وجہ سے۔ اب ہم میچ کی طرف جاتے ہیں جس پہ آپ نے ہمیں میمکری کرنی ہے۔ پاکستان انڈیا کا میچ چل رہا ہے، پاکستان نے ٹاس جیت لیا ہے، اس میں میمکری آپ نے اپنے انداز میں کرنی ہے جو آپ کا اپنا ذاتی ٹیلنٹ ہے اس میں۔
Yeah, I think Pakistan win the toss, and definitely I think they will decide to bat first. Toss is always very important when you are playing against India. I think that is a crunch game as well.
تو پاکستان نے ٹاس جیت لیا ہے۔ اب آپ ہمیں بتائیں گے جی پچ رپورٹ آپ بتائیں گے جی کس کا، کہ ڈینی مورس کی آواز میں، کہ ڈینی مورس پچ رپورٹ بتا رہا ہے۔
Look at the pitch here. I think it's a different picture. We can see the last night match, but here's the some chances for the bowler as well. Look at the seam position is there. There is some grass on the pitch, but it's already dead. So that may be the batting paradise pitch. I think any team has win the toss and definitely decided to bat first. I think a lot of runs on that pitch, and I think toss is very important in that particular game between Pakistan and India.
ناظرین آپ نے پچ رپورٹ دیکھ لی، اب پاکستان بیٹنگ کر رہا ہے اور بائی کمنٹری کریں گے پاکستان کے فرسٹ اننگ کا کہ وہ کتنا ٹارگٹ سیٹل کرتا ہے، تو آئیے جانتے ہیں۔
Yeah, I think Sabzada Farhan is the batter. He's a very dangerous man, top of the order. Last night match, I think he played well. Once again, he is facing up Arshdeep Singh. He's the real talent of India. Here he goes, ball to Farhan. Farhan goes for the big one. Oh, it's a beautiful shot as well. What a beauty that is. Lovely to watch. Our deep cover for a big six. That is the real talent of Pakistan. And what a batter he is, Sabzada Farhan. The number 2 ranking in the world in T20 format. That was a superb shot. That was a bad delivery by Arshdeep Singh. I think on the offside, short and wide. Easy picking for Sabzada Farhan. And what a batter he is. He is on batting at 49. What a start by Pakistan. 190 for the loss of 2 wickets. Great start that is. That is the last over of the power play. Pakistan well on top. 70 for the loss of 1 wicket. Babar at the crease, and also Sabzada Farhan, the real talent of Pakistan. Here he goes, ball to Babar. Babar going for a big one as well. That's a deep mid wicket once again. One bounce over the rope for 4. That was superb shot by Babar. What a player he is. Look at the class of Babar Azam. He is the real talent of Pakistan. What a player he is. Pakistan going very well. 75 for the loss of 1 wicket. What a start. India are in deep trouble now because Babar and Farhan are in a good position. What a partnership that is. Superb piece of partnership that is. Shanshaw Afridi is the bowler now. Surya Kumar Yadav, he is the captain of the Indian side. He is passing up after losing the first wicket. Here he goes, ball to Sherwood. Oh, it's a great shot. Beautiful shot down the ground for 4. That is a beauty. Great shot. Great timing. India are starting in a flying start. What a start that is. Once again, I think Surya Kumar Yadav done well in the last game. 84 against the other night. And once again, he is leaving dangerously out there in the middle. Here's Shanshaw Afridi. Ball to Surya Kumar Yadav. Here he goes. In the air to maybe caught for it. Put down as well. That is a mistake made by the two fielder each other. Look at that. That is a huge mistake and a real bonus for India. And Pakistan badly now fell in the field once again. That is a poor fielding. Look at the distance between the two fielders. I think they can depend each other. And at the end of the game, at the end of the ball, I think the ball landed between the two fielders. That is a poor fielding once again. اب میں ڈینی موریسن کی آواز میں تھوڑی سی کمنٹری کروں گا. I hope you will enjoy that. 15 rounds in the last 6 balls. Shanshaw Afridi is the batter. Look at that one. Can they defend the total of 15? Pandya on strike. The danger man from the Indian side. Here's a Shanshaw Afridi. Ball to Pandya. Pandya going for a big one once again. One bounce over the rope for four. Great start of the over as well. Now the pressure on Shane Chaffredi. And look at the Pandya. He is playing with a strike rate of over 300, which is amazing. 11 of 5. Can India win this one? So it's a little difficult for Shane Chaffredi to keep the ball on the line. It's a pressure situation for Pakistan. Shane once again. Here he goes. Ball to Pandya. Pandya going for a big one. It's in the air. Maybe caught. Yes, it's gone. Beautiful catch. There it is. Shane Chaffredi, the hero of Pakistan, picks up the very important wicket of Hardik Pandya. That is a real danger man from India. Pakistan got another wicket as well. 7 goes down. Now India are in trouble. 4 ball remaining and just 11 runs for the victory. Situation we can see between Afghanistan and South Africa. The last ball was in a 5 runs victory and there was a super over. Now here is the same situation. India need 4 runs of the last ball of the over and Shane Chaffredi is the bowler. He is a dangerous man from the Pakistani side. Look at the fielder. I think they're all together. And what happened will next? So that may be the question we are talking about. Shane Chaffredi. Here he goes. Ball to Patel. Here is Shane Chaffredi. Ball to Patel. Oh, it's a ball down. Beautifully delivery. And Pakistan getting the victory against India. That was a huge moment for everyone. And look at the celebration. They are immediately meet each other. And that was a great victory for Pakistan over India for the first time after a long time. And that was a situation which we are waiting for a long time. What a performance that is.